Hi guys, my name is Amy here at the Coach Counseling for Men. We are already in our first month of bringing you EMDR therapy. Before we were using solution focused brief therapy, which it helped you guys pretty well, I believe, seeing changes fast within 2 or 3 sessions. And now we're really digging into the deep core trauma that keeps coming back and giving us trouble. So if you are not here, please sign up for a free 15-minute reset session or reschedule. Make sure you're in the schedule so we can start processing with the EMDR therapy. What is EMDR? EMDR is a more intense, research-proven type of therapy that I'm very excited to bring to you guys. I myself, I'm going through it and seeing the permanent changes, and I'm excited to work with you guys to bring permanent healing. This EMDR therapy has 8 phases, and that's why it's so important to keep coming. I would recommend at least weekly so we can go through the phase 1, which is taking history of your life, making sure we can find those patterns to tackle any stuck emotions, any trauma, any pain. It can be body pain, it can be emotional, any sickness, anything that your body is keeping the score of. And then we're going to also be preparing. In that part of the preparation, I am giving you for free to those new guys that want to join us 15 minutes of a reset, which is a technique or a couple of techniques to learn to calm down, to remove some pain, to ground yourself up. Next, after that, it's the phase 3 is assessment. We want to make sure that this type of therapy is good for you. It is intense, I tell you, and it's effective. But if it's too intense for you, maybe we should stick with something lighter like solution focused brief therapy for now. But that will be determined in phase 3. Phase 4, that's when the action happens with desensitization. And that's where we will be using the same natural science that your body does when you're asleep, of using both sides of your brain, kind of like when your eyes move from side to side. We'll be using a little machine or our tools to be able to make your brain use both sides while we're processing any trauma, any stuck emotions, any pain, tension, anything. We want to get rid of it. We want to heal. We want to do it the natural process, the way your body knows how to do it. Number 5, installation. So after we get rid of all that stuff and all the negative stuff gets processed, we want to make sure that during the installation we're installing the positive cognitions, positive thinking, the way we should be really being, not only thinking, not only feeling, but being as a whole. And then we go to body scan, which we scan our bodies, make sure that there's no tension, pain, anything that's kind of like hiding any traumas, any pain, anything, because the mind might not be telling you something, but the body might be showing it through the tension or aches or pains or bubbly feeling on top of your head or something like that. Finally, 7 is closure. We wrap up. We know what plan we will have for the future. And 8 is reevaluation, to make sure we keep coming back to check on your body, on yourself, on refreshing, make sure that anything that's coming up or that was in the past or that it's new, that it's being resolved so you stay clean and clear. And that's what EMDR is. So, yeah, I'm very excited for the changes, the healing that's coming to you, to me. And I urge you, if you are not here, if you're not part of the Coach Counseling for Men already, take advantage of that, of those 15-minute reset sessions scheduled with me today. Just send me a PM saying 15-minute reset, please. Okay? See you soon.